Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to raise a resource request for an opportunity within the Opportunities app in KEBS. Once the user navigates to the Opportunities app, he or she can click on the required opportunity in which the resource is needed. The details view of the opportunity is displayed. The user can navigate to the internal stakeholders section and click on the resource request button in order to create a new resource request. Once clicked, the resource request form is displayed. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, such as the resource type, skill role, and so on, the cost details are populated. The opportunity details are pre-filled by default. Once all the mandatory fields are filled and all particulars and approvers are verified and loaded, the user can submit the request. The resource request will be landed in the recruitment application for the resource manager to proceed further with the allocation. Thanks for watching.